everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any VPN tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a V2Ray Slow DNS server and set it up on the HTTP Custom VPN app for a fast and secure internet experience. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for UDP Custom. From the search results, click on the official website link. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a list of different server options in the menu. Click on the V2Ray option, then select V2Ray Slow DNS from the dropdown. This will take you to the server locations page. Choose any server you prefer based on your region. Next, you'll be taken to the account creation page. Enter a username and password, solve the reCAPTCHA, and click on the Create Account button. Within a few seconds, your server account will be generated. Now, copy the V2Ray and Slow DNS configuration details to your clipboard. Now, open the HTTP Custom app. First, check the box for V2Ray. Then tap the plugin icon at the top right corner. A pop-up will appear. Select V2Ray again. On the new page, tap the small plus button and paste your V2Ray server config from the clipboard. Once added, go back. Now check the box for Slow DNS and again tap on the plugin icon. This time, select Slow DNS from the list. A configuration window will open. In the DNS field, type 8.8.853. Then paste your NS and public key from the server creation page. Once that's done, save the configuration and return to the home screen. Now, all that's left is to tap the Connect button. That's it. You're now connected to a fast and secure V2Ray Slow DNS server using the HTTP Custom app. And that's how you create and connect a V2Ray Slow DNS server using HTTP Custom. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and VPN tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.